episode. I mean, not episode. Subway. Let's go and get the girl. So the first time, let's go. Oh my gosh! From the first time, are you just kidding me? Are you just kidding myself? Oh my gosh! I need to get which guy? I mean, not this. Which guy I want to get? I need to get. Oh my gosh! How much day? 2 days left. That's pretty good. Because I hate him. I really hate his life. Let's go to get with Ninja. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Oh my god. What the heck is this? Yeah. What the the first one? Nice job. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Wow, what is this even? Oh, then you give. I don't have any key. Any key in my life. Any key. Key. What? Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. One, two, three, let's go. So, peace guys, see you later. Please smash that like button if you like this video. I will see you at next time. Peace. Bye bye.